Hi everyone, it's Ksenia with our monthly garden update. It is June 26th, Saturday, super hot out, and I just wanted to tell you and show you what our garden has been up to. Here we have strawberries, which are done producing fruit, so they look super gross right now. But that's okay, that's expected. Over here we have spinach, doing well. Lots of tomatoes that nobody planted, they just kind of came up on their own. So we had tomatoes last year. Onions, cherry tomatoes that we did actually plant. You can see little tiny tomatoes and huge corn. It's amazing how much it's grown in just 1 month. Next, off to the berries. As you can remember, we had blueberries. So they're doing great. More tomatoes that nobody really planted to. I believe it is pumpkin. I also did not plant it. Gooseberries. The two guys here. And blackberries over here. And the rest is raspberries. They're looking super good. You can see little berries. Little flowers. Alright, thank you guys, and see you next month.